So everyone thinks their recipe for at least one certain family favorite is the best. Well, Howard puts us to the challenge today by claiming these are the best mashed potatoes ever. Let's go over to him. He's in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
To me, after the turkey and gravy, the next most important thing at Thanksgiving dinner has to be the mashed potatoes. And although they're easy to make, we hear that many of you need a little help with the basics. So let me show you an easy no-frill way to make them this year that won't let you down. We start by boiling some potatoes that we peeled and cut into chunks. I like russet potatoes because they cook up just right and aren't too starchy. After these cook for a bit in our fork tender, we drain them really well. Draining them well is the key here. Now I'll put them back on the stove to make sure all the water is gone. Then in the same pot or a bowl, we add some butter, milk, or buttermilk if you prefer, and a little salt and pepper. Now you can beat these until they're silky smooth, or if you like them a bit chunkier, simply beat them a bit less. Either way, when these simple but incredible potatoes hit the table, they're ready to get all sorts of oohs and ahs. A bit of gravy on top and all is good. To get the recipe for what we call our best mashed potatoes ever, simply visit our website. You'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the best ever way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with more good food on the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com